What we found is that the experienced ladder users tend to, when they were climbing the ladder, completely miss the first tread, and they would put their foot onto the second tread and start climbing the ladder from that point. Because if the first tread was quite close to the floor, they basically just ignored it. The issue though was when they were climbing down the ladder and their feet were working in a pattern as they, because they couldn't see the treads on the vertical ladder as they were going down, they were looking ahead, and they tended to, when they got to that bottom tread, either look down and then take a more careful step onto ground level, or they might stumble and miss it completely. So it was more problematic if that bottom tread was close to the floor. So what we learnt is that it's as a principle a good idea to have equal distances between the treads from the floor height to the landing height, but coming down when they can't see what they're doing, it introduces an element of risk. So it is a risk, and therefore under the health and safety legislation in Australia, the objective is that we have to follow the hierarchy of control, which requires us to try and eliminate the hazard in the first place and not depend on behaviours and techniques as the method of control. So at a design perspective, if we can design out this variability on the lower tread, that should be our goal.